I've watched a lot of last video ever on YouTube where they're always the end of the channel, you know? And it's always a lie.
Yeah.
This time though, it is unfortunately true. This is going to be my last video here at Income School. In short, and then we'll talk about it. I'm leaving Income School. Ricky's buying my shares in the company. We have a really good team here at Income School, and Ricky and I have been working together forever. And so the knowledge that we have here and the capabilities the team has is really better than ever to continue serving people. But I am going to be going in a different direction and leaving Income School.
Yep. It's definitely a transition and a bit of a change. As all of you who've been following us for a while know, Jim has been at the center of everything. Jim and I have been working together on this Income School for 6.5 years. And Jim's been doing internet marketing as a photography blogger and as a blog owner for longer than that. And at this point, Jim gets to take the opportunity to take what we've been doing and do it. Just do it.
It's because I made too many Project 24 commercials on this channel talking about how you could just start today and build it with a goal of having your own portfolio in 24 months. Well, that's what I'm doing.
And the goal is that 1 million page views a month in 24 months. It's ambitious.
Income School is kicking butt.
Yeah.
I mean, we're just kicking butt. It has grown so much over time. It wasn't a quick growth.
No.
The first couple of years were tough and slow and felt like it was going nowhere. And now we're really hitting our stride. Financially, Income School is really kicking butt. We're just continuing to grow. And so I love everything that's happening here. And some of the things we've put in place over the last year, they're going to pay dividends. And I'm really excited to see what Income School becomes. But it just came a time for me where I said, you know what? I'm going to lock in this success and move on to the next thing that I want to build, knowing that Income School's in very good hands.
Yeah, it is funny. Whenever you teach something, and that's kind of your primary business, it's not uncommon to get that question or that critique of, wait, if this is such a good business model, why aren't you teaching it? Why aren't you just doing it?
That's why we've been doing it for years.
We've been doing it for years, and frankly, it is a really good business model. If you've been following some of Jim's most recent videos, he's been talking about this project with Backfire. We have this Backfire YouTube channel we've been growing now for less than 2 years, but that's just doing solidly. And now Jim's been working on building out this website to just be this ultimate resource. And it's just have this ambitious goal, right? 1 million page views a month within 24 months. Well, that's kind of a full-time gig. And it's an awesome, awesome project to take on.
Yeah, so the blog and YouTube channel is called Backfire that I'm going to be working on. We started as part of Income School, and when I started that series here, you know, it was very much the plan to just be part of Income School as it has been. But I'm going to take it, you know, as part of our deal as we wrap up business here in buying me out of the business, essentially. I'm going to take that site and I'm going to start running with it. And so I'm really excited about it. I'm a startup guy when it comes down to it. I guess that's just what I do. I just start things. The biggest thing that has kept me from doing this is I know on the photography site, I ran it for years. Really the thing that kind of made me want to end that and move to Income School was it just wasn't very meaningful to me. I enjoy photography, but like, did I want to spend 30 years coming up with a new photography tip every day? Nah. It was just a hobby to me. It wasn't that big of a deal. And on Income School, I really feel very mission driven with everything we do here. I mean, I think at last count, we're at 86 families that are now have their full-time income provided for from what they learned in the course. Yeah. That's pretty darn cool. I love that. And thousands more we've helped along the way. And so as I'm moving to Backfire, that's like been a big consideration for me. It's really not a financial choice as much as like, what could I do to have a deep impact on people? Now, gun tips and gun reviews, kind of like the photography is like, I barely care, right?
Yeah.
Like, no, I do care. It's good. It's fun, but you know,
Right.
it doesn't have that
The
deep
purpose.
impact.
Yeah.
Right. And so I'm really interested in making that, it's literally 98% men on that channel.
Yeah.
And so kind of building that into a men's brand. And I really want to get into a podcast there and just talk about, you know, careers and outdoors and family and you know, relationship with your spouse and just becoming a good man. And so I'm interested in driving that purpose forward, even though right now it just looks like gun reviews.
Exactly. You mentioned the whole starting, how to create something and start something and building it to success, and how Income School started out with this really slow, like hard grind of just
Painfully
work.
slow.
Man, I was like, I'm not sure this is ever going to be like my full-time job. That was the way that I saw it. I was like, I'm not sure that I'm ever going to be able to quit my job.
Not to cut you off, but
Yeah.
the thing that always reminds me of that pain the most is when we were in that ghost town phase starting this business, I released a first product. It was like $30. I had just figured out a really clever hack with Facebook ads, and I earned $250,000 in 1 week. And it was just working incredibly. I had to tell people about it.
Yeah.
So I made this video course. I just showed exactly how I had just done it. I sold it for like $30. And I got multiple people requesting a refund because they said it would never work for them. And I was just like, this is driving me crazy. Anyway, so that ghost town phase was hard because we didn't have much of an audience and people didn't believe in us yet.
No.
It was so hard.
No, they didn't. Early on, you shared with me one of your favorite quotes of all time. And it's just stuck with me over the years. I wrote it down to talk about here. But it's Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. We don't quote poetry very often, but he says, the heights by great men reached and kept were not attained by sudden flight, but they, while their companions slept, were toiling upward in the night. And that's what it took, was while other people were sleeping, in some cases, you know, doing their regular 9 to 5, but just, you know, maybe barely living life. We were putting in the extra hours. We were spending, you know, mornings and evenings creating content. We started creating YouTube videos and, you know, working a normal job, you still running improved photography, and just, that's what it took, was just being willing to put that in. And the same principle is going to apply on Backfire. Now, it helps that now you have this like huge skill set to build upon, and you'll be working on this full time, but still, for everybody that's trying to start something, whatever it is, that's what it takes. You don't just get there overnight. It's not a stroke of luck. It's not a strike of lightning. It's nothing like that. It's just consistently doing what works and just working hard at it.
Yeah, as soon as this became the path, I sat down with my wife and I said, Emily, you have to like carry around a bullwhip and be ready to crack me when I get out of line. Really, I need to publish every day a blog post, and I'm going to put out 2 YouTube videos a week. And one thing I should say, not necessarily publish a blog post every day. I need to be actually no distraction writing a blog post for a few hours every day. Sometimes I'm going to spend 8 hours, and that may span a couple days, but writing every single day. If I do that, like, we're going to be fine.
Yeah.
You know, we're going to have an income. It's going to take a little time, but it's going to go good. So, going forward, if you are an Income School member, nothing is going to change for you.
Nope.
You have Ricky. We've been working together for 6.5 years. I mean, everything I know about blogging, Ricky knows about blogging too. Nate is really kicking butt over on the Content Warrior channel, teaching people how to grow YouTube.
Like I have to watch his
videos.
channel now. Like I have to watch the videos he puts out, because the things he's discovering are helping me become a better YouTube content creator.
And for members, you know, Anna is just such a special person, and she is just being awesome at just doing these masterminds, meeting with people, and just helping in every way. She is so active in just making that community the very best it can be, to helping you guys succeed. So your team is here. Everything you need to know is here, and that's going to continue forward. As for me, I am taking a different path. I'm going to be on the Backfire channel. If you're into the outdoor stuff, come see me over there.
Go watch him.
But I have to say that this has been tough.
Yeah.
We've loved working together. We've accomplished an incredible amount together, and the future looks very bright for Income School. It does for me too. I'm excited, a little nervous, but also excited about going back to my roots and just building something up from scratch again.
It's incredible to get to spend years working with a good friend. We've been friends for like 20 years. It often, for a lot of people, doesn't work very well. But we've been able to have just a really, really good experience working together to the point that we're able to do this and take different paths in our career and be friends.
We worked out the buyout in like 2 weeks.
It's just
easy.
Unheard of, and that happens when, you know, really good and really special people, you know, like Jim are in it. And so we're gonna miss him here on this channel, but I'm fully dedicated, and our team here is fully dedicated to the Income School channel. The channel is not ending. This may be Jim's last video, but the channel will continue will continue forward, and I'm really excited for the direction that we're going to be able to take with the channel and just continue to improve the things that we teach and the way that we teach them here for you. It's a bright future, and I think Jim's is bright too.
Peace out, as they said in the 70s.
Welcome to Business Taco, the only show with tips you can learn in the time it takes to eat a taco. Or perhaps a burrito.
First question actually comes from our Project 24 community.
I told Ricky that we were going to be filming this video today, but I didn't tell him some of the details. I left a little note on his doorstep this morning.
Not exactly sure why he asked me to video this. Here we go. Great. Meet me at GPS coordinates. Well, we'll be off.
Jim? Mm-hmm. I just got a notification for a transaction on our bank account for $4,500. You know anything about that?
Yes.
It's so stupid.